Okay, I don't know the giraffes. What are the giraffes?
It's people who love giraffes who love giraffes. It's very common. I got these earlier this evening. Thank you so much. I hope this is not 22 inches long and you can fit in my back. Oh, I can have Sarah. Sarah. Ah, it's fine. Sarah can take it. She's coming here tomorrow.
John, by the way, after they get it looks like, can we all get a picture?
Sure. Are you Crystal?
Yes.
I love it.
Yeah. I'm wearing an Alaska sweatshirt too. I'm a ghost.
Wow. I'm a ghost. Thank you for attending my book reading in spite of your not being alive. To Kate? Are you the Kate in question? Thanks for coming. This one's for Virginia. So do you know the story of this book?
No, I just got it.
Whenever Maureen signs this copy, this book,
Number 59.
she crosses out my name, so I cross out her name.
I'm loud.
Alright, quick picture.
Anyone on this 50?
Thank you. Okay, everybody. Is that like all wood? Wow. You guys scoot way in.
Wait, someone go to that.
No, there's no time for that. Just scoot in. Switch. Easy swishing. Ah.
Yes. They tell us to do that. I think we're a school group.
Hello, are you like? Oh, I know who you are. I know exactly who you are. Are you Laura?
Yes.
Thank you so much for bringing these people in your tremendous time of trial.
It's not that bad, really. Kiwani. And we brought you a Kiwani Boilermaker shirt.
How awesome is that?
And we all signed it for you.
Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much. Thank you.
Can we all get a group?